So I was watching my local 7-Eleven burn down today until I looked over and saw this disgusting Jeffy puppet in the bushes. So let's go clean it off. The first thing I tried was giving him a bath. That didn't work, so I decided to call in my brother Eric for some help.
Alright, what do we got here? Oh, this is easy, I got this.
This thing better get cleaned, just like how we're trying to reach a clean 1 million subscribers before the end of the year. But after 5 hours of cleaning, this is the final result.